The most recent ice storm obviously came about. The commission asked me to represent the agency at the EOC. My primary role was making sure we had direct communications, good communications with all the utilities, electric and gas, if needed, to make sure that we could keep in contact and make sure they had the resources that they needed. We got a lot of pictures back from folks who were there of all the downed trees and power lines and ice, and just being able to get to a site to restore power was one of their major problems that they had to work on. Emergency operations and the work that's done by those folks is incredible. I mean, it really is, and I don't think anybody can understand it until they're in the room and they see what all goes on. There's a lot of people that are dedicated to making sure that everybody has what they need and they're addressing what they need. It's not even controlled chaos. I mean, it's a very controlled environment. Everybody's very businesslike and very relaxed, but there's a lot going on, and there's a lot of work that's going on between the National Guard and then all the other state agencies. It's impressive.